Hi, CJ. My name's Corey. Lisa told me to send the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition there. Really driving more traffic and closing down more quality business. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Just going to go through your website real quick. So the first thing I'm going to hit on is content. Really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Been really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer keywords on words of what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. You got car dash img. You can switch that out, but buyer's intent keywords back there. Google recognize that, and it'll make a big difference to your rankings. Now that's your first tip. Increase your word count. Change out those photos. So if I go inside of Google here and type in heating repair Fort Lauderdale, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. They came up with these to come out to help replace or to start replacing these old school ads, which these old school ads have been really spammy lately. I don't know if you're running ads, which a lot of people put ad blockers up just to get away from these ads. So what Google did is came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. It's just another form paid advertisement, which I've seen some of these anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click. Imagine, a few people click on that every day. It gets pretty pricey at the end of the day too. Underneath these ads, we have this little map pack here, and this map pack is going to be dealing with what's called the citations to get the rankings here. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map pack is going to be dealing right here. This is all the organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and to get here comes down with that authoric content, plus being found for them keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool. Lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So yeah, it looks like you got 47 referring domains on your site that's pushing back 690 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 2,000. You're being found for 550 keywords, and it doesn't look like you're running any ads. This PPC stands for pay per click. And out of these 550 keywords you're being found for, you're getting about 78 clicks on average to your site every month. And we can actually come inside here and see where those 78 clicks are actually coming from. You got your name up here at the top a few times. Goodman Palm Bono Beach. There's 30 clicks every month. Your fourth position on that. Kind of come in here. I'm trying to find Hollywood AC. There's 10 clicks. 13th position. You're missing all that traffic there. HVAC Fort Lauderdale. There's 40 clicks. You're 19th position. So once again, you're missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Lindstrom Air Conditioning and Plumbing, showing you what they got going on. You can see their position. They have a lot of second and third positions with these keywords. This is the amount of volume that's coming per keyword and also the traffic that they're getting for their website for those keywords as well. So Fort Lauderdale AC Repair, 40 clicks. There's AC Repair Fort Lauderdale, 150 clicks. Fort Lauderdale Air Conditioning, different keyword phrases here, 200 clicks. So they're getting a decent amount of traffic, being second. This one, they're fifth position on that keyword. So really what you'd want to do is come through and find these keywords that's going to really drive in a lot more traffic. And it looked like you're getting about a 60, 70... 78 clicks to your website. So really, if we get get you in a position getting about an extra 150, but actually more buyer's intent keywords, what would that do for your business ideally? But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I would love a free custom game plan to help you get there. Feel free to reach back out to me, or at least give me a review on how I did on this video, and also just, or worst case scenario, apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.